And on the 8th day, God looked down on his planned paradise and said, I need a caretaker. So God made a farmer. And back when America was founded, 90% of the population were farmers. But now, it's less than 1%. So God made a factory farm. And then God wanted to maximize yield. So God made pesticides and herbicides, and genetically modified seeds that are resistant to those chemicals. And God let Monsanto patent those seeds. And God said, sometimes agribusiness grows crops that no one needs, but they still want to get paid. So God made farm subsidies. And then God noticed, there sure is a massive corn surplus out there. So God made high fructose corn syrup. And God said, well, now we've got to do something with all this corn syrup. So God made Mountain Dew, and Cookie Crisp, and Gushers. And then God said, okay, now it just seems like Americans aren't willing to do farm labor anymore. So God made Mexicans. And God said, granted, the American agricultural industry has evolved into a manufacturing giant that's more like Walmart than a mom-and-pop store, and it's backed by powerful interest groups that spend hundreds of millions lobbying Congress. But despite all that, the word farmer still evokes salt-of-the-earth American Gothic imagery. And from a marketing standpoint, that would be a helpful thing to associate with an automaker that nearly went bankrupt due to mismanagement. So God made this commercial. God, farmers.